How to log in to Co-op Bank Online. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's episode, I'm going to be helping you learn how to log into your Co-op Bank Online account step by step. This method works on your mobile phones, tablets, and computers. So let's begin. First things first, launch open a web browser of your preference and in the URL box type in co-operativebank.co.uk and search. You'll then end up in this official website for Cooperative Bank or the Co-op Bank. From the homepage, go ahead and click the Login drop-down at the top right corner and select the Login to Personal Online Banking option to sign into your online banking account. If you haven't registered yet for online banking, you can click the Register for Personal Online Banking option and sign up. For existing account, click on the first option and then you'll be able to see that you are in the login area. To log into your online banking account, write down your username in the username field. Make sure that you type in the correct username for your account, and in case you want the system to remember your username, check on this small box at the bottom. But if you're using a public device, make sure to leave that unchecked and click on Next. On the next page, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Go ahead and write down your correct password for your online banking account, and then, as shown in the display at the bottom, you'll need to enter the first and the fourth digit of your 6-digit security code. After you do that, click on the Continue button. But if you've forgotten your password or your login details, you can get help by Forgotten Your Login Details button at the bottom and follow through the instructions. Finally, after clicking Continue, if your credential is correct, you'll be able to verify yourself and you'll successfully log into your Co-op Bank online banking account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.